Hello and welcome to Essential Oils for Pets. If we have not met, my name is Becky and I am a doTERRA wellness advocate, and I am thrilled for this opportunity to teach you about the many benefits of essential oils for pets. More than anyone, we understand that the importance of providing your pet with the best level of care, which is why we've dedicated our lives to improving the health of your four-legged family. I currently happen to have two parakeets. I used to have a dog that grew pretty old and went to the other side of the Rainbow Bridge. So, enough about me. Let's get started. Most of us are aware that our pets have a keen sense of smell, but did you know just how magnified cats and dogs' little noses are? Dogs have over 220 million smell receptors, and cats have between 45 and 80 million. In comparison, humans have only about 5 million receptors. That's a huge difference. This is why it is so important to understand how to properly use essential oils around pets. If you're not careful, you may end up unknowingly causing them skin irritations, allergies, or unwanted side effects while using essential oils or using them around your home. So let's take a look at some basic guidelines to get started. Our primary goal for today's class is to teach you how to safely use essential oils to benefit your pets. You'll want to start out by first ensuring the quality of the product you're using. Make sure the oils you use follow a strict standard that ensures 100% purity. You don't want to put an oil that claims to be one thing and then find out later that it also has melaleuca in it. That is very dangerous for some animals. Beware of low quality oils, which may contain harmful chemical ingredients and pesticides. Lower grade products may also go through processing that destroys the natural health and therapeutic benefit of the essential oil you choose. So, I would love to share with you about the brand I trust. In order to avoid toxicity or making your pet sick, it is important to keep in mind that just because an oil is considered safe for pet use doesn't mean that it will be right for your pet. Just like a person's tolerance to various substances differ, so can your pets. When using an essential oil for the first time, start out slowly by testing a small amount around your pet to make sure there are no visible side effects. Side effects may include wheezing, shaking, whining, sniffing, nervousness, and excessive scratching. Begin by adding 1 or 2 drops to a pet-friendly oil to a diffuser to allow the scent to permeate the room in 15-minute intervals. Make sure that there is a way for your pet to leave the room. That way, if they don't like the smell, they don't have to endure it any longer. Diffusing oils can be great for calming an anxious pet, but always remember to keep the door open, like I said, to allow any animals to be able to wander to a more comfortable space. I remember one time the fireworks or some loud noises were bothering my friend's pet. So she got out some lavender essential oil, and that calmed her pet right away. But your pet might not like lavender. Your pet might prefer a different oil. So make sure to give your pet the opportunity to choose. And they will pretty much let you know. If they walk away from it, they probably don't want it or like it. If they come close, that means that they probably are enjoying it or are curious. If you're intending to use an oil topically, never, ever, ever, ever apply an essential oil without first diluting it with a carrier oil such as olive oil or fractionated coconut oil, as oils on their own can be too potent for your four-legged friend. There are a few options for applying diluted oils topically. You can apply directly to the affected area of the body. Place a drop on your palms, then rub it into your pet's coat or place on their paws. Avoid placing oils around sensitive areas such as the eyes, mouth, nose, inner ears and the groin area of your pet. When applying oils to horses, do not apply any oils under saddles or tack. This is a general guideline of rules to remember. This is a set of do's. Number 1, dilute essential oils heavily with a carrier oil. Start small and use in moderation. Monitor and observe your pet carefully during use. Care for different animals differently. Application should be based on weight and breed. Make sure you wash your hands before petting animals when applying oils to yourself. Don't. Number 1, don't apply undiluted oils directly to a pet's skin. Number 2, use even diluted mixtures near your pet's eyes, mouth, nose, and other sensitive areas. Do not do that. Number 3, don't use hot or warming oils such as peppermint, which can burn your pet's skin. And 4, don't use high phenol oils such as oregano, clove, or thyme. Give your cat, let's go on to cats, specifically cats. Give your cat time to acclimate to different oils by diffusing a small amount in the house or prior to a topical application. Start topical application by adding 1 drop of essential oil per 4 parts of carrier oil and apply the mixture gently to your cat's paws. The approved list for cats includes cardamom, eucalyptus, but only use eucalyptus in a diffuser, frankincense, geranium, helichrysum, juniper berry, lavender, lemongrass, marjoram, myrrh, sandalwood, spikenard. When starting a new oil, first diffuse the oil around your dog and make sure there are no ill effects. And I would say the same thing with a cat. Dilute at least a 75% mixture, adding 1 to 5 drops to a carrier oil. Avoid using in puppies under 10 weeks and apply small amounts to the paws. Oils approved for dog use include cedarwood, digestin, frankincense, geranium, juniper berry, lavender, lemongrass, marjoram, and Roman chamomile. The signs of toxicity. Even subtle signs can indicate your pet is not tolerating a certain essential oil. Therefore, it is always important to observe your pet when using oils, especially new oils. Common signs of toxicity include changes in behavior, like a loss of interest in play, lethargy or lethargy, however you like to pronounce it, changes in sleep patterns, changes in eating habits, signs of confusion, digestive issues such as diarrhea, vomiting, or constipation. Contact your vet immediately if you suspect any negative reaction to an essential oil. And like kids, just keep those oils out of reach in case you have a curious pet, because they might overdo it if they find a way to get to it, such as a bottle with the lid not completely closed. Common pet conditions that respond well to essential oils include arthritis and joint pain, anxiety, skin care, digestive support, respiratory support, ear health, pest repellent, immune support, brain function, mood stability, cell growth, and healing. Now let's talk about marjoram. Marjoram is ideal for treating skin conditions as it can help the nervous system and reduce inflammation. Relief from these symptoms has been known to help alleviate allergy symptoms. Marjoram is also soothing for stressed muscles, joints, and tendons. The best application is to mix with a carrier oil and gently massage into your pet's skin 2 or 3 times a week for overall coat improvement, or directly on irritated skin. Be sure to keep a watchful eye for any skin discomfort or any discomfort at all. Cedar wood and myrrh are other options if marjoram essential oil does not work as expected. Now let's move on to lavender. Lavender is considered one of the most versatile essential oils. It is one of the most soothing for pets and people alike. This popular oil can be used to soothe anxiety-ridden pets as well as reduce hyperactivity. This oil can be mildly sedative and relaxing. It's popular for easing a car ride, anxiety, and car sickness. I knew of a dog that had recently been adopted by a friend, and it was having a lot of problems. I won't go into the details, but it was preventing everyone in the house from having a good night's sleep, and the dog was just going crazy. They used lavender essential oil, and the dog was able to go to sleep and relax within a few seconds. Lavender oil can be applied topically to treat burns, bruises, grazes, flea bites, and to aid wound healing. Here's a fun fact. Lavender has antiseptic and antifungal properties. Chamomile and clary sage can also be used for calming anxious feelings in pets. Let's move on to helichrysum. Some people say helichrysum. Helichrysum is known as a powerful antidote to anything that bites, including other cats or dogs. This oil has antiseptic properties and may aid the healing of broken capillaries, soft swellings, and broken bones. Helichrysum also has antibiotic and antifungal properties and should be diluted when applying topically. Helichrysum oil can also stimulate the liver and aid in detoxification, making it good for animals who have a tendency to vomit or need to clear the mucus from their lungs. And on to cedarwood. Cedarwood oil may be best known for its powerful ability to repel and kill pests such as fleas. However, its wide range of beneficial properties make it an ideal oil to have on hand. Benefits include being an antiseptic for the lungs and expectorant for coughs, such as kennel cough. Cedarwood also stimulates circulation and works wonders for aging pets experiencing joint stiffness, arthritis, and back pain. It may also help eliminate dandruff, strengthen kidney function, and may be used as a general calming tonic for nervous aggression. Pets who are especially shy or timid, or those who need a greater sense of inner security, including those who have severe separation issues, can also benefit. Let's talk about frankincense next. Oop, there we go. Frankincense is considered to be less potent than some other essential oils, making it ideal for helping with numerous conditions. Some of the conditions for your pet include it's an antiseptic, it's disinfectant, it's anti-inflammatory, the ability to help calm your pet, soothing to the skin, scar reduction, reducing tumors on your pet, strengthening the immune system, healthy development of the brain, skin, and cellular function, helps with digestive problems such as constipation. Next, let's talk about geranium. Geranium oil is particularly useful for flea and tick prevention. In fact, many pet parents have turned to this natural alternative instead of using other chemical-ridden preventatives. This oil may also be used to balance hormones and enhance blood circulation, boost emotions, and reduce feelings of stress and depression. It is also said to be a wonderful oil to help calm pets that are prone to seizures. Then there's lemongrass. You may know of lemongrass as a popular insect repellent. Did you realize that fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes are all repelled by this highly citral and geranol oil? I can't say that word today. Add a few drops to a glass spray bottle to spray on your pet's coat to kill fleas. Not only will it keep those ticks and fleas away, but it can also improve the condition of your dog's skin too. Safe storage. As I mentioned before, keep all essential oil bottles and diffusers out of harm's way from curious noses by storing on a high shelf or closed cabinet. Make sure those wires are also safely secure. Certain oils are not suitable for ingestion, so pay Pay close attention when storing even diluted oils and remember to clean any spills immediately. Keep diffusers away from places your pet sleeps and eats. Someplace out of reach is completely ideal. Oils in general should be kept in dark glass containers and out of direct sunlight. Here is a list of oils to avoid if you're a pet parent. It is crucial to understand that certain oils can be harmful to your kitty. For example, citrus oils that contain polyphenolic compounds, which may affect how your cat's liver detoxifies, and large doses can cause buildup of toxins to accumulate in your cat's system. The following oils should be avoided altogether, which means they shouldn't be put in a diffuser, used on your kitty, or even used on a person who will be in contact with your cat. These include citrus, grapefruit, lemon, orange, birch, cinnamon, clove, oregano, melaleuca, especially melaleuca, thyme, and wintergreen. Oils to avoid if you are a dog parent. A dog's sense of smell is even more powerful than a cat, which means it can be extremely sensitive. The following oils have been known to cause irritations and skin allergies when used around dogs: clove, wintergreen, thyme, juniper berry, and star anise. So let's recap. For the safety of your pet, always check with your veterinarian before using essential oils. Remember that just because an oil is listed as safe for cats or dogs doesn't mean that it's safe for your cat or dog. Always test in small doses to make sure the oil is tolerable for your pet. Contact your vet immediately if you suspect any adverse reactions. I will include the sources in the description of this episode. Please make sure to check that out. We hope the information we shared today will help you and your pet stay safe, happy, and healthy. There are so many options when it comes to essential oils. Make sure to check and double check before using anything potentially harmful on or near your fur babies. And always, always, always dilute, dilute, dilute. Do not hesitate to reach out if you would like more information or have any questions. My website is certifiedpureessentialoils.info. You can reach me there. And I want to say thank you very much for joining me today. I hope everyone has a better understanding of safe use of essential oils with pets. Again, please let me know what you found valuable during today's episode, and I hope you have a great day. See you later. Goodbye.